12 people shot in Franklyn Town, Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 12 people were shot and injured on Wellington Street in Franklyn Town, Kingston on Sunday during an attack by a gunman. Preliminary reports are that a group of people were at a party when men armed with high-powered weapons entered the party and opened fire on patrons. When the shooting ceased, 12 people, 6 females and 6 males were wounded and they were taken to hospital for treatment. The attackers then fled the area. The police have also stated that a permit was granted for the event. We're going to go over now to Miss Stephanie Lindsay, where she will provide us with the latest she have in relation to this story. Miss Stephanie Lindsay, what can you tell us about this latest shooting in Franklyn Town?
So we were able to confirm that it's about 10:45 there about last night on Wellington Street in Franklyn Town. There was a shooting incident at a party that was being held in the community. At the end of the, what we were told that the perpetrators were there when they heard explosions, and when they checked, 12 persons received gunshots. Their injuries are not considered life-threatening. They were treated at hospital and released. It's a mixture of male and female. I have to go check it out. I have to check to see how many male, how many female. But we know that there were male and female. A number of them were females. Yes, a permit was granted for the event. No, they have not had any incidents in the area for the past 7 or 8 months. That was one of the considerations that the commanding officer took into consideration when granting the permit. So what happened last time was really not in keeping, because usually if there was a young field, it would have been denied.
That was Miss Stephanie Lindsay, head of the Police Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Continuing the news. In a separate incident, 3 people, all members of one family, were shot by a gunman who kicked open the door to their house in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Monday. A 56-year-old woman succumbed to her injuries at hospital following the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.